Hello, today I brought you another puzzle box I created. So this one is called the Lifter. I know, it's kind of a weird name, but doesn't matter. So let's get started. First step is remove the tool, put it aside, take this out, flick it away. That was a very bad flick. Flick it away. Just flick it away. Then you'd want to, you see this grey tile? This one. This grey tile. You'd want to move it to the side. A little bit side. Move it to the side like this. Okay. So like that. Then you want to grab your tool, insert it into this hole, push this white tile over here a little bit, and then you're going to have to hold it. Sorry, get it back in. Push it out a little bit like that, and then grab hold of it, and then shift it upwards like that. So this outside is flat. Then you want to put it back in like that. Grab your tool, push it all the way that way so it's go back to the same spot. Then you want to push it in like that. So it comes, so you can also, so you can put your tool in forward without getting it stuck on the ground. Now for the lifting part. You see this round shape bit and this jumper stud? You want to lift it up. Make sure nothing is stuck. So yeah, now you just lift it up. And then you have your money. Then you want to push the green bit out, and there you go, you have your money. And then the reset is just pop it back in, push the money back in, then pop the big piece, this whole thing back in here. Make sure it's aligned so this round curved bit is aligned with the other round curved bit, like that. Then you want to go to this hole and then pop the white tile back out, and then pop this white tile sticking out here, and then your grey tile. Put your tool back, and I'm just going to get the piece that I flinged across. Yep. Then you're going to pop it right back in here. Oh, sorry. This tile is just for decoration. It doesn't really need to be there, but yeah. And that's the lifter. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.